Hi, everybody. Welcome to Virtual Science Trivia. Thanks for being here. And thanks for sticking with us. Okay, it's Virtual Trivia Tuesday. My name is Chris. I will be your quiz master, your host for this evening. I have 15 science trivia questions ready for you. I hope that you're excited. Hope you brought your thinking caps because some of these questions are a little bit tough. Some of these questions you might think are too easy. Either way, we're going to have a good time. We're going to have some sciencey fun with Virtual Trivia Tuesday. Now, let's address the pachyderm elephant in the room. Okay, you registered beforehand, or we had asked everybody to register, and then you got an email a little bit earlier with information on how to play, including the game pin. That didn't end up working out the way that we had hoped that it would. So I am going to give you a new game pin. You will punch in this 7-digit number at KAHOOT.it. That's KAHOOT.it. A screen will pop up. You'll have a blank where you can punch in a 7-digit code that I will give you in just a moment. And then you will be allowed into the game. Once we get started with the first question, though, I won't be giving the game pin back out. Once we're in the game, there will be no more entries. I know about how many people played last time. I expect that you're all back again for this trivia night. So if you miss it at the very beginning, my apologies. I'm only going to give it out right now. Your game pin is 793 4914. 793 4914. I'm going to give folks a chance to jump in. KAHOOT.it is where we want you to go. So for this to work, what has to happen is you will need this YouTube live stream uploaded. So you'll need to be able to see or hear me. I'll be asking the questions, and then you'll pair the multiple choice answers with the colors and icons that you see either in a separate browser window or on a separate mobile device. So you want YouTube up one place, Kahoot up on another. The kahoot.it page will give you the options to select which multiple choice answer you want. And then, oh, I love these names. And then you'll key your answers in on Kahoot as we go through. 15 questions for tonight's very special game. There in the chat box, if you run into any just like awful problems, Science Jess is going to be helping me out. She's there in the chat box. And we're right here to help you out if we can too. I absolutely love these natural sciences themed names that Kahoot gives everybody. It's not even something I choose. I just get to be happy that it goes this way. Like Noble Dove. Noble Dove, thank you. Noble Dove, did you know that pigeons are also doves? Yeah, they're kind of like the same thing. Oh, let's see. Mountain Snail, love it. Swift Camel. Are camels swift? I think so. Quick Lizard. Amusing Macaw, thanks for playing. Rational Duck. I wonder if ducks are very rational. I would think so. I would think so. Soaring Buffalo, thanks for joining us for Virtual Trivia Tuesday. This is exciting. I'm getting excited. I hope that you like the questions that I have for you that we're going to be playing with here soon. I'm going to give everybody a little bit longer. Friendly Lemur, thanks for playing. A little bit longer. If you want that game pin, I'm going to give it one more time. 793 4914. 793 4914. Let's take a look at some of our contestants. Check this out. Here's 95 players. Thanks for joining us, everybody. This is incredible. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We'll be starting the game in just a moment. Hey, I want to thank everybody for tuning into this. At the Museum of Natural Sciences in downtown Raleigh, our facilities are closed. The museum's closed. We're all working from home. I know that it looked like I had, just this great and awesome, museum-y thing going on behind me. Production secret. It's, it's just a picture. It's not one of those Zoom virtual backgrounds though. We actually printed it up, so I have them in an official museum studio at my house. This is so cool. But hey, being the museum closed, we're excited. I'm excited to be able to bring you virtual programs here on YouTube. We've got all kinds of great programs coming up. 102 players on the screen now. We've got science cafes coming up like this Thursday night at 7 o'clock. You can come back to our YouTube channel here. There's a great archive of our science cafes and other programs we've hosted at the museum that's here on our YouTube channel. So I don't know, maybe after this or when you've got some spare time, go through and look at some of the great science-y stuff that we have on our YouTube page. Museum's website too, naturalsciences.org, has been updated with lots of great do-it-yourself science activities at home, lots of resources for educators, parents, whoever you might be, anything you might be interested in. You can probably find something to do with that at naturalsciences.org. Ed, I see your comment. Welcome to the real world of science, where the failure provides at least as much entertainment as the successes. Yeah, that's how it goes sometimes. But we figured it out. We figured it out. And 106 of you have figured it out as well. All right, I'm looking at the clock. I think that we should go ahead and get started. I'm going to give a not real point to Creative Gator. You win my favorite name of the night, Creative Gator. I love all of these though. Okay, let us get ready for science trivia. Hope that you're ready, everybody. Here we go. What is the largest living lizard? Is it the American alligator, the Komodo dragon, a monitor lizard, or the slender glass lizard? Answers are coming in. 25 seconds on the clock. Okay. Looks like most of our answers are in. What is the largest living lizard? 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer, and almost everybody got this one right, is the Komodo dragon. That is the world's largest living lizard. If you were wondering, it is not that. That is not it. That's a chameleon. Okay. 86 people got this one right. Only a few people got this one wrong. Now, here's the fun part. In KAHOOT, the faster you answer, the more points you get. But you got to get the right answer. Let's see how you stacked up. And here is your top 5. Check it out. Blue lizard, glowing duck, happy crane, excited cheetah, and creative crane at the top of the scoreboard after that round. Top 5, there you have it. But of course, there are lots of questions to come, and it is a very, very tight game. Ready for the next one? Let's go. Question number 2. Which gas makes up the largest fraction of the atmosphere by volume? Which gas? Is it oxygen? Is it nitrogen? Is it carbon dioxide? Or is it a laughing gas? Okay, 30 seconds on the clock. 10 seconds. Which gas? Largest fraction of the atmosphere. Let's see the correct answer. It is in fact nitrogen. Nitrogen is the correct answer. Nitrogen, largest fraction of gas. Not oxygen, not carbon dioxide. If you said laughing gas, nobody did. Good job on that one. 87 people got it right. Only a few got it wrong. Great guess though. Let's take a look at the leaderboard. Ooh, still a close race. Blue lizard at the very top, followed by glowing duck, happy crane, excited cheetah, and creative crane. But hey, I want to give a shout out to dynamic egret. You climbed 34 places after that question. Great job. Great job. Okay, all right, everybody. Virtual Trivia Tuesday question number 3 coming right at you. What is the longest river on Earth? Is it the Ganges? Is it the Mississippi River? Is it the Nile River? Or is it the Mekong River? Anybody know the answer to this one? "22 seconds. 15. Longest river. All right, everybody, 5 seconds. Get those answers in. Ooh, all right. Excellent job, everybody. Excellent job. 88 people got this one right. The Nile River, yes, is the longest river on Earth. Not the Ganges, Mississippi, or Mekong. Excellent guesses, though. Let's see how you did. Here's your leaderboard. Blue lizard staying at the top. I like it. You're getting those right answers. 3,139 points. Glowing duck, creative crane, power ferret. Welcome to the top 5. But hey, I got another shout out for you. Wise finch, you have the highest answer streak. 3 questions right. Excellent job, Wise finch. Okay. Question number 4. Hope you're ready. Hope you're ready. Thinking caps on, everybody. Today, in the news today, NASA funded a phase 1 study to build a telescope where? Today, NASA funded a phase 1 study to build a telescope where? No, what kind of places do you think NASA would want to build telescopes? Everywhere, right? The more telescopes, the better. Hey, where would you want to build a telescope? Where would I want? I just want a telescope in my front yard. I can go outside, look at those moons, stars, see the planets. Venus is very bright in the sky these nights. Yeah, today, just today it was announced. Where does NASA want to put a telescope? Check this out. On the far side of the moon. That's right, nowhere on Earth. They want to put it on the far side of the moon, which, right, that's the side of the moon that never sees Earth, right? The moon is locked in its orbit with us, so we always see the same side of the moon, which means the other side doesn't have a lot of light, especially maybe light coming from Earth, but they can put it on the far side of the moon, and it's much darker, so they can see further out into the universe. The far side of the moon. Okay. Let's see how our leaderboard stacked up. Oh, we had a lot of movement on this one. A lot of movement. I think so. Our top 5 has completely flipped. Power Ferret, welcome to first place. 4,307 points. But Tropical Panda, Mystery Panda, all right, it's pandas in the top 3 here. Mystery Hen and Rational Pigeon. Okay, all moving up in the game now. Tough round though. 36 players lost their answer streak of 3. Yeah, those current events questions. They'll get you. Okay. Let's rock and roll. Next question? Next question. Here it is. Question 5. What does an oometer measure? An oometer. Answers rolling in. This looks good. Looks good. About 30 seconds left on the clock, everybody. Get those answers in. What does an oometer measure? Is it ohms? Is it oohs and ahs? Is it eyeballs? Or is it eggs? An oometer. All right, 103 answers in the bin. 3, 2, 1. Your correct answer is eggs. Ho ho. Oology, that's the study of eggs. Yeah, it's not ohms. Ooh, that was a tricky one. Yeah, I threw that one in there to be especially devious. That's something I'm known for, I guess. Not really. 4 people said oohs and ahs. Hey, why not? That's a great way. Eyeballs, close, not close enough. 38 people got the correct answer. Eggs. Okay. Let's take a look at our leaderboard. Power Ferret, Tropical Panda staying in the top. Mystery Hen advancing a place with 5,464 points. Clever Otter, I believe, welcome to the top 5. And Mystery Panda, all right. But tell you what, this game is extremely close. Everybody, you're doing a fantastic job of answering these questions. 3 players just hit an answer streak of 3. Fantastic. Glad to see that. All right. How you feeling, everybody? You feeling good? That was, we're a third of the way through this now. You and I, we've made it through 5 questions of science trivia. Hope that you're ready for some more. Because here we go. Question number 6. What is the best preserved dinosaur? What is the best preserved dinosaur? Is it the Stegosaurus? Is it T-Rex? Is it the Nodosaur? Or is it a Thescelosaurus? Stegosaurus, T-Rex, Nodosaur, or Thescelosaurus? If you've jumped in our game, oh wait, let's see. Okay. Best preserved dinosaur is a nodosaur. Nodosaur. I didn't bring a photo of one to show you. You'll have to Google it. You're on a device. I think you can. Don't leave yet. The nodosaur. Yeah, it's kind of like a big armored dinosaur. Man, this fossil is amazing. It looks like it could just get up and walk away. That's how great it looks. Not Stegosaurus, T-Rex, or Thescelosaurus, though. Although, if you want to see a pretty well-preserved Thescelosaurus, you could come visit us at the Museum of Natural Sciences in downtown Raleigh. We have one on exhibit. All right. Let us take a look at the scoreboard. Okay, we saw a little bit of movement in our scores. 6,991 points to Power Ferret. Okay, but our second, third, and fourth place finishers have advanced, moved up places. Clever Otter, Classy Newt, Swift Camel, welcome, welcome, and Tropical Panda down in fifth place. Okay, question 7. Question 7. Today is National Pecan Day. Did you know that? What genus of tree is a pecan tree? Today is National Pecan Day. What genus of tree is a pecan tree? Anybody like pecans? Pecan pie? Today's a good day to have some pecan pie. I wonder if I have some pecans, some butter, and a pie crust. Ooh. There's a science experiment I can get behind. Can I make a pecan pie? 5 seconds. What genus of tree is a pecan tree? The correct answer is Carya. Carya is the genus, scientific name for the pecan tree. If you said Quercus, great guess. Quercus are the oaks. 23 people voted for Acer. Acer are your maples. And 19 people said Pinus, which are pines. Yeah, Carya is the correct answer. Okay, everybody. Let's see if our leaderboard shook on that one. Oh, it did. Clever Otter has moved into first place, 8,208 points. Welcome to the top. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Classy Newt, Swift Camel, Power Ferret, Caring Kitten. Caring Kitten, welcome to the top 5. Champion Hare, though, shout out to Champion Hare, back with an answer streak of 3. Welcome to the game, everybody. Hope you're enjoying science trivia. Hope you're having fun. We're going to rock and roll. Next question. Question number 8. What is the most famous characteristic of the loggerhead shrike? Most famous characteristic of the loggerhead shrike. Is it their elaborate nests? Is it their bright colored eggs? Is it that they impale their prey? Ooh. Or is it they can fly very fast? Fast flying speed. 30 seconds. "13 seconds. Loggerhead shrikes. There's a picture of one right there. Gorgeous bird, yes. 2, 1. Ooh, the correct answer, 42 people got this one right, is that loggerhead shrikes impale their prey. Yeah, they do that. It's pretty wild too. You can look this up on, Google some pictures, but I warn you, you're going to see some stuff. Yeah, the loggerhead shrikes, they catch prey. Think very small rodents, large insects, and they throw them up against like really thorny bushes. Yeah, and they can come back for it later. Loggerhead shrikes are huge fans of barbed wire fences because there's just lots of thorns. They impale their prey. Looks like a few of you may have learned something new about that cute little bird, the loggerhead shrike. Let's take a look at our leaderboard. Clever otter at the top. Look at this, 9,623 points. Fantastic job, Classy Newt at 9,461. Swift Camel, Bright Quail. Hey, Bright Quail, welcome to the top 5, 7,006 points. Glad you could be here. Happy Tiger, though, shout out to you back in the game. You got 3 correct answers in the row. 3 in a row. Okay, ready to move on? Let's take some more science trivia questions. Question number 9. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? I expect 100 plus correct answers. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? '94, 95 answers in the queue, 30 seconds. Was it Buzz Aldrin, Neil Armstrong, John Glenn, or Michael Collins? Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Last year, we celebrated the 50th anniversary of the Apollo 11 moon landing when, you thought I was going to say it, didn't you? When one of these 4 people walked on the moon. 5 seconds, okay. 97 people got this one right. Yes, I knew you could do it. Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon. Buzz Aldrin was the second. Michael Collins did not get to walk on the moon. But those 3 astronauts, in fact, Neil, Buzz, and Michael, I think I got it right, are the 3 who were on the Apollo 11 mission. So, good guess with those 2. Let's take a look at our leaderboard. Okay. Now, I love this statistic. 20 players have reached answer streak 3. Yes, fantastic job. Happy Tiger, welcome to 4th place. You moved on up with 8,179 points. Welcome to our top 5. Clever Otter, Classy Newt, and Swift Camel, though, out to a strong lead. But hey, there's a lot of questions still left in science, virtual science trivia tonight. So let's get to some of those cool questions. Thinking caps on. Ready, set, go. Question 10. How tall was Velociraptor? Was Velociraptor as tall as a turkey? Was Velociraptor as tall as a zebra? What about as tall as an ostrich? Or was Velociraptor only as tall as a parakeet? 40 seconds. How tall do you think Velociraptor was? Ten seconds. Ooh, okay. How tall was Velociraptor? 44 people got the correct answer. Velociraptor. That fierce dinosaur from Jurassic Park and Jurassic World was only as tall as a turkey. Yeah. 16 people said tall as a zebra. 39 went with as an ostrich. 3 people said parakeet. Hey, you never really know with science trivia. Sometimes the answers get you. But yeah, Velociraptor not actually as big as pop culture would have us think. If a Velociraptor, fierce Velociraptor, was coming right for you, you might just like, stick your foot out and stop it. But I say that. And I remember one time a Canada goose chased me. If you've ever been chased by like a rooster or a goose or maybe a turkey, you probably ran. You did. And so now birds are dinosaurs anyway, right? So, I mean, tall as a turkey, that's pretty fierce too. Okay, enough of that. Let's take a look at our leaderboard. See if we got a shake up. We did. Check this out. Classy Newt moving in first place. There you go. 12,263 points. Swift Camel moved up as well with 12,108. Ooh, tight race between first and second right now, but Clever Otter, you didn't fall too far behind with 11,047. Happy Tiger, Power Ferret back up into fifth. And hey, shout out to Dazzled Buffalo. Oh, that's a cool name. Making a comeback. Nice. 3 in a row. Great job, Dazzled Buffalo. Hope everybody's having fun. You enjoying the questions? Let us know in the comments. There's nothing I can change about it right now, but next Tuesday we'll be doing this again, and we can try to make it even more fun for everybody. All right. Question 11. Here we go. Multiple choice. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Is it Mars? Is it Saturn? Is the smallest planet in our solar system Mercury? Or is the smallest Venus? I would love to know what you think the answer for this one is. Mars, Saturn, Mercury, Venus. 35 seconds are remaining. Smallest planet. $85 people got this one right. The correct answer is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, also the first planet in our solar system. Not Mars. Saturn is enormous. Absolutely enormous. Venus, about the size of Earth, in fact. And then Mars is, I hope I get my math right, it's smaller than Earth, but bigger than Mercury. I think my math is right on that one. All right. Hey, let's take a look at our leaderboard. Any shakeups here? No, our top 5 stayed the same. Top 5 stayed the same. Classy Newt, Swift Camel, Clever Otter, Happy Tiger, Power Ferret. But hey, I'll say 6 players have reached an answer streak 4. Good job. There's some moving and shaking going on. Just a few questions left in virtual science trivia with your host, Quizmaster Chris. All right, next question. Question 12. What type of scientist was Indiana Jones? Was the fictitious, yes, Indiana Jones a paleontologist, a geologist, a herpetologist, or an archaeologist? Which ology was Indiana Jones? 35 seconds. Any fans of Indy out there? Indiana Jones? If you are, you should know this one. 15 seconds. Paleo, geo, herpetologist, archaeologist. Looks like almost all the answers are in. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is archaeologist. Yes, 95 of you got this one correct. Fantastic job. Indiana Jones was an archaeologist. In terms of real archaeology, though, Indiana Jones was not a good one. You don't quite take things the way that he did. You don't quite explore the way that he did, but I guess he was a rogue all the same. Just down the road from the Museum of Natural Sciences in Raleigh is the State Archaeology Office of North Carolina. And I had a chance to meet and hear some presentations and talk to them. And I did ask them, all right, what's the biggest thing about Indiana Jones? And they're like, you just don't grab it and run. You like don't even touch it for a long time. You have to take notes and you have to write everything down. And I don't know that he ever wrote anything down. Do you? Do you remember him writing, taking notes? That's like the thing in science. Okay, let's take a look at the leaderboard. Okay, Classy Newt, Swift Camel, Clever Otter, Happy Tiger, top 4. But look at this. Look at this. Moving into the top 5. Champion Hare, 11,207. You've got the green up arrow. You're on the rise. But hey, shout out to Flying Elephant, making a comeback too. 3 correct answers in a row. Way to go, Flying Elephant. I hope you're ready for our next question. I hope so. Pay attention. Question 13. What animal is this? Is that a sperm whale, a humpback whale? Is that the North Atlantic right whale? Or is that a blue whale? If you've made a visit to the Museum of Natural Sciences anytime, we have a dazzling assortment of whale skeletons on display. In fact, you can see each of these 4 whale skeletons inside our museum. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Who got it right? Who got it right? 73 people got it right. Sperm whale is the correct answer. Humpback whale, North Atlantic right whale, blue whale, not it. Not it. Good guesses though. There's your sperm whale. Isn't that amazing? These guys are incredible. Now at the Museum of Natural Sciences, we have a sperm whale named Trouble. That specimen came to the museum in the late 1920s, and it got the name Trouble because it was trouble to get to the museum, for sure. All right. You can read more about that at naturalsciences.org. Okay, here we go. Let's check out our leaderboard. Okay, Classy Newt, Swift Camel, Clever Otter, Happy Tiger. Top 4. Power Ferret, though, with 12,484, has made its way back into the top 5. Glad that you could be here, back again. But hey, I got another shout out. Dynamic Gator, if you're out there, you're making a comeback. 3 questions in a row. I like it. I like it. Okay, everybody, let's rock and roll. Next question. Hope you're ready. Question 14. Remains of what ecosystem from 90 million years ago was discovered in Antarctica? Remains of what ecosystem? Was it a grassland ecosystem in Antarctica? Was it a desert? A rainforest? Or from 90 million years ago, did they find an ice castle? All right, everybody, 20 seconds. Less than 10 seconds remaining. Okay, here we go. Remains of what ecosystem from 90 million years ago was discovered in Antarctica? They found a rainforest. Yeah, they found the remains of rainforest. Now this is cool because think about Antarctica, right? Ice, snow. But scientists go to Antarctica and they dig down deep. They core into the ice and they bring up these enormous sections. And out of these sections, they go through them sort of like inch by inch, layer by layer, looking to see what's there. And they found a layer that was a different color than all the other layers. Looking back, they counted 90 million years and discovered that that had to have been rainforest. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? All right, let's take a look at our leaderboard. Let's see what happened. Classy Newt, Swift Camel, Clever Otter, Happy Tiger, and Power Ferret have stayed up there in the top. But four players have reached answer streak 7. Answer streak 7. Fantastic job, everybody. That means that we're on question 15. Here it is. Hope you're ready to play. If you're not ready to play, well, too late. Question 15. When granite is subjected to intense heat and pressure, it changes into a metamorphic rock called what? When granite is subjected to intense heat and pressure, it changes into a metamorphic rock called what? Is it still called granite? Is it called gray wacky? Is it called gneiss? Or is it called schist? All right, answers coming in. 10 seconds. Okay. Looks like 55 people got the correct answer. The correct answer is gneiss. Granite becomes gneiss. Nice granite. Okay. Here we go, everybody. This is going to be our final look at the leaderboard. Are you excited? Are you ready? Drum rolls, please. Here's your podium. In third place, Clever Otter. Wow, you got 14 questions right. Silver medal goes to Swift Camel. And first place, gold medal, goes to Classy Newt. Fantastic job. So amazing. This is incredible. Hey, everybody, though, tell you what, I think you all did a great job with science trivia. I think you did fantastic. You know what? I think you all deserve gold medals. Really, truly, everybody. Fantastic job playing virtual trivia with us. I hope that you had fun too. I hope that you enjoyed playing our game. Because we're going to be back here next Tuesday. We'll have 15 more questions for you. You can play Virtual Trivia Tuesday. Hopefully, if you were with us at the very beginning, we're going to try to work out this issue with the game registration and the pins. Don't worry, we're all new at this. But if you had fun, that's what matters. And if you can't play in Kahoot, get a pen and a piece of paper, keep track of your score, how many you get right, how many you get wrong. But we'll be back here at the museum's YouTube channel next Tuesday, 6 o'clock. And since next Wednesday, April 22nd, happens to be the 50th anniversary of Earth Day, you know, you might want to get ready for a round of Earth Day related questions next Tuesday. Yeah, might want to start studying up on those. My name is Chris, everybody. I want to say make sure that you follow the Museum of Natural Sciences on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff, sure. We've got great content coming out all the time, stuff that if you like science, you want to be a part of, absolutely. And go ahead and check out naturalsciences.org. From the homepage there, you can see the link for our Science at Home section. There, you can get access to do-it-yourself activities, archived videos, lots of resources that I know you will like, especially if you like this, but you'll like our Science at Home page, all kinds of stuff that you can do, read about, watch, learn, discover. From me and everybody at the Museum of Natural Sciences, we're going to log off. Bye, everybody. Thanks for playing Virtual Trivia. Bye.